Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thank you for ordering your products with Directly Jen. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to order or how to upload your gift certificates, referral cards, long referral cards, and long sample cards. So this video is for all three of those products. I'm going to be demonstrating it with the gift certificate, but it is applicable to all of those three as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to click over to marketing materials and click on gift certificates. I'm just going to click on quantity. We'll just pick 10 for now, and then upload your design. And wait for my internet. And then you click where it says upload your logo or image. I've already uploaded these, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. If you click on the front and then the back for when you're doing your upload. So we'll go ahead and just do that now. I'll just demonstrate it with the front one, but then for the back one, we'll just use the one that's already uploaded, just to save some time. All right, so there we go. There's our front. And just ignore this because we are good if we do extend to the outer. And then we're going to go ahead and add our back. And again, click over here where it says upload your design. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And we always use our PDF files for these because even though they look a little blurry in these guys, they actually do come out the best when you print them. So then we're going to go ahead and click next and just double check that everything looks great. It looks great. Then click on continue. And then we're just going to choose our paper types here. So you can do recycled, which is nice. That keeps with the mission, or just, you know, being environmentally responsible. It's only $1.65 extra, so pretty good deal. And then they're always going to try and get you to add stuff to your cart. So if you want, you can actually do envelopes for it. So that's not a bad idea. And you can add, like, you could do a navy envelope with that too. So, and add that to your cart. We're just going to go ahead and say, we'll just add those. What the heck? And then click continue. Now this is when they try to sell you a bunch of extra stuff. So just go ahead and click continue to cart. And then you can see your product in your cart. I always recommend, if you don't have it, get it. Rakuten, you earn cash back. So yesterday it was 6% when I was making videos. Today it's 3%. 3% is usually the base. I just placed a personal order the other day and got 10% cash back. So it's a really good deal. And they also show you all of their coupons in here as well. But they're showing this right now, save up to 40% off site-wide. So it's definitely a good deal. So if you see this here, don't try another coupon code because it's not going to be as good as that, just an FYI. Also, when you sign up for Rakuten, if you don't have it already, there's an email, or there's a link to it in the email that I send you. You get a $30 credit with Rakuten when you sign up to use against whatever. And I get a $30 credit too. So just so you know, that's how it works. But it's super great. As you can see, you can save a lot of money, just, you know, pennies at a time, but it does all add up. So that is how you upload your gift certificates, rack cards, or sorry, not rack cards, gift certificates, long sample cards, and long referral cards to Vistaprint. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and we will sure to be help you troubleshoot your problems.